What's up, YouTube? We made it to the spot. There's a whole bunch of cars here, but now it's mostly just us. Subaru's not with us. These two cars are not with us, but they look pretty clean though. Real clean. GTR and the old NSX vintage.
Forgive me, guys. That was the Genesis Coupe. I don't know why I said that.
It's really nice out here. Using the car. Right. You gotta use that baby. We like to use our cars over here. That dude is looking clean. Oh shoot, that's me. YouTube, what's good? It's your man, WOX Official, and in today's video, I got the mountain run for you guys. So you should be seeing some POV content. If you already saw my Tail with the Dragon video, POV, that was a couple months back. Check it out. It's that type of POV. Not on my head because your guy is too tall. You're not gonna be seeing nothing. So before we go into this video, guys, go ahead and hit the like button for me. Hit the subscribe button only if you're not already subscribed. I see like 90% of you guys watching my videos are not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Join us. And also about that subscribing note, guys, there's a bunch of YouTubers out here who are paying for subscribers. I'm not doing that. I never am going to pay for subscribers. I do it naturally. So help your man out by subscribing, also by sharing the video. Hit the like button, leave a comment on the video if you like it, and also leave a comment to let me know what you like in the video or what you might want to see in the future. That type of stuff helps me out as a content creator, and then it helps you guys out because I'm recording the footage that you guys want to see. So go ahead and do that for me. I had a page hit me up on Instagram asking me to pay. I mean, I don't even know how much they were charging, but I don't care because I'm not doing it. They wanted me to pay for subscribers. I'm not interested in that. Even if you can make money, I'm not doing that. I'll do it natural. So go ahead and do that for me. Share the video, hit the like button, and let's get to this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. This is the day before. Your man, WOX Official. Oh, I'm excited, guys. I'm ecstatic to meet some of you guys. Guys, I'm looking forward to hit the road, baby. We might be getting some Mexico runs. We might have a run lined up. And no, baby. All we got is the X-Pipe, stock 5.0, stock suspension. And we'll see. We'll get to the video, guys. This should be a lot of fun. So let's get to it. Oh shit. He's wild as hell. Alright, we are good. Now we gotta catch them. We gotta catch them. Well guys, we just got to run with Kevin. Unfortunately, I don't think we have it on camera because it looks like it was in picture mode. Man, I thought it was on video mode. So me and Kevin will have to run it back, but guys, I can barely hear this horn. This car is so loud. Cruising with the group now. I'm not really trying to do runs so much right now. After the mountain run, yeah, but right now, man, we cruising. Well, guys, that didn't go as planned. We are still not in the mountains yet, but unfortunately, guys, my freaking mount is acting up. So so I don't have it mounted on the seat how I had it in my POV video, so it's looking like that's not going to happen. I want to see what I can do to make it work though, and still trying to make this a good video, so we'll get to that. Got the man Kevin in front of me with his loud Camaro SS, and we got the group behind us. Really good turnout again. That's Mike with his 5.0. Ariel behind him, Nelson. He made it cloud. So I figured I'd do a little recording for you, YouTube, even though I can't get the POV content for you guys. But this is what the mountains is like, guys. What's up, YouTube? We made it to the spot. There's a whole bunch of cars here, but now it's mostly just us. The Subaru's not with us. These two cars are not with us. But they look pretty clean, though. Real clean. GTR and the old NSX vintage. Joey with his Acura. It's really nice out here. Man, they're not using the car. Right. You gotta use that baby. We like to use our cars over here. Got the 350Z with the AHA and ES07 wheels. Got the stock 5.0 black accent package over here. And we have the other 5.0, all black. You change the grill on there. Hey Mike, what did you do to the car again?
The MP concept, upper and lower, real spoilers, the MMD V series.
Okay, so yeah, he changed quite some stuff on the car. He says he has a little bit more planned. You talking about maybe possibly going forced induction?
Eventually. I'm gonna wait till the warranty's kind of running out, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna get the suspension all done right before I do any of that.
Yeah, don't want the dealerships to choke you on that.
Nah.
They're gonna try to take advantage of us anytime they get. You see the headers? Oh yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Got those long tube headers.
You have to get them.
Yeah, dude, I'm definitely gonna get them.
I feel like in the movie, there's a bumblebee on top of Bumblebee. It's gonna turn to a bumblebee. Miles, you gotta get this Bumblebee right here. On Bumblebee.
Where?
It's Bumblebee on Bumblebee.
Oh. Oh yeah. Man, I still didn't put mine on. Last time we went here, everybody bought this sticker. I bought it. I don't think I'm putting it on though. Yeah, Kevin definitely should have that sticker. Man, he likes your car, man. He trying to get inside. Literally. He just went in there.
Ooh. Oh, he's right here.
Oh, you got two of them,
Oh.
man. Got the retro, baby. She was scraping. Chris, you low, man. You low.
Oh yeah, is that a piece of my tire?
Yes.
That's the tire.
Yes. There's a piece of it over here. He's low. He's scraping on this fender. He's that low. You changed the seat. He customized a whole lot of stuff. Put a racing seat in.
Only one seat.
Yeah. You only need one.
He said what?
I know you want to get that for radio.
Want to get what? Hell no. I see you really are basically bald back here.
Bald.
This man has some gut. Just saw how it is, man. It's no joke. Got E85. Actually, he upgraded the turbos on it.
I took it slotted. It was hot. And it was understeer. I could barely get it to swing out without clutch kicking.
Got Mike leaving. He joined us. He actually got to go. Hope we can hear him. Oh! Oh! That 10 speed. Baby sound good. That 10 speed. It is a manual. Oh, what? Is that a boost gauge? Oh no, that's gotta be for the AC. Or is that a gauge? Oh, okay.
It's a fuel economy gauge, an oil temperature gauge, and a torque gauge.
Oh, okay.
But a lot of guys who boost them take like an aftermarket gauge and put it in their hole because it's a 52 millimeter hole, so standard gauge.
Got these guys getting ready to do a flyby. If I want to do what I'm doing, they're going to do a flyby.
Yeah.
Do it like Killboy. Oh, dang, that was fast. You're going to hear him when he's down there, too. Kevin is all the way down there, and we can still hear him. Look at Johnson, he on the ground just like Killboy. You getting those Killboy quality shots.
Now, why could we hear you from like 2 miles away?
Yeah. Don't act surprised. You knew that. Right. Lanes. Do you guys not know how to merge? You guys are seeing a whole different side of me right now, I bet, because these people just can't drive. Guys, what state are you in? Comment right now, what state are you in and how bad are the drivers? I feel like Atlanta or Georgia, a lot of these people should not have a license, honestly. It's just ridiculous if you ask me. Like, come on, bro. They must have a stoplight. That's the only thing that will make sense of this. There's gotta be a stop sign. That's the only thing that will make sense, bro. Because otherwise, bro, why are we slow? Why are we stopped? We're basically at a stop. We're going freaking just now 10 miles an hour. Come on, bro.
What's up, YouTube? It's your man, Wilkes Official. If you guys made it this far in the video, thank you. Hit the like button. And thank you for watching. And watching this far in the video, I really appreciate it. I want to thank everybody who went to the mountain run. I really appreciate all the support. You guys helped me to make this happen, so I really appreciate it. We had a great time. Everybody seemed to have a great time. And there will be another mountain run. And actually on this next mountain run, the subscribers are welcome to join. I know you guys like, what? The subscribers weren't welcome to join before? No, they've always been welcome. I just actually haven't posted on YouTube, and I never had the YouTube posting feature unlocked. Now it's finally unlocked. Go ahead and when you go to YouTube and click on my channel, click community. I had put my first post up about a week ago. Go ahead and leave a comment. I'm asking you guys what type of videos would you like to see? Car shows, Mexico runs, anything you want to see. Leave a comment and like the post. It helps me out as a content creator. It helps my content to get out there to people like you guys who like my content. And thanks again guys for joining. It's your man Woe, and I'm out. Now look at this. Now look